Hello all, welcome to Shiva Tech channel. Uh, Welcome to COBOL tutorial tool. Today agenda is perform statement. Okay. In perform statement, we will discuss like what is perform statement, what are the uses of perform statement, and what are the different types of perform statements we have in COBOL. Under this, what is inline perform, and how to use that inline perform, and what is outline perform. What are the different types of outline performs are available. See, these are all the real time which we are regularly we use these okay, types. Okay, we'll discuss with the syntax with examples. Okay, let us see. See, perform statement is one of the major statement in our COBOL program. Okay, in real time, if you see any of the real time program, they have coded using the perform only. Okay, this is we used to say like coding standards, COBOL coding standards. Okay, it represents like what is the structure that we need to follow. Okay, because why we follow this coding structure is for better quality. Okay, to maintain the better reading quality. Okay, and if we see the program, we should get some impression. Also, we should get easy to understand. Okay, we need to be very easy to understand, so we may get some that impression. Okay, those kind of things we go for COBOL coding standards. Okay, okay. Coming to the perform, uh, uh, in COBOL, what is perform means if we want to execute a multiple steps, some group of steps or group of statements, some group of statements multiple times. Okay, if you want to execute a statement, some group of statements in multiple times or one time or two times, then we go for perform statement. Okay, generally all our COBOL logic will write in a paragraph. Okay, we'll divide the logic in our based on the requirement, we'll divide our logic into paragraphs. For example, so how we can write is uh, first we will write like if it is a file program, what we write is first we need to open file, and then we need to write read file, again we need to write, again we need to close. So all these things will be done in the different paragraphs. Okay, okay, that will come into the files concept. Okay, so let us see what are the different types of performs. First, we'll discuss about the outline perform. Okay, we'll see later in the inline perform. This is the first statement is a simple perform. This is called a simple perform. Perform para name. Perform para name. Okay, what it will do, where we use this perform statement means it is used in the procedure division. Okay, procedure division. Generally this is the way we write in the real time. Okay, see, now I have in procedure division I write in paragraph. Okay, see, let us see every program, uh, each program will be write all the statements into a paragraphs only. Okay, we Without paragraphs also we can write, but that is not the way of coding. Okay, that is not the way of coding standard. Generally we used to create different main paragraphs: initial para, process para, terminate para, or close para. Okay, in between we can create a number of paragraphs. Okay, but these are the main paras. Let us see one example now. uh, okay, let us see here. We'll write perform here. Perform 1000 that will write add para. Okay, perform 2000 subtract para and 3000 multiplication para. Okay, right. Here we'll write stop. Okay, okay, now see, now we have this para, right? Okay, we need to declare this para, right? We need to define this para. So how we can define? In same paragraph name 1000 add para. Okay, you can write compute WS total equal to WSA plus WSB. Okay, plus WS total. That's a simple program. Okay, see here, this is a simple perform. Okay, simple perform paragraph name. That means we are, see, we can write anywhere these paragraphs and all, we can write anywhere in the program. Okay, but we are, but we should why wherever you declare, no need to worry. Okay, but when we call the procedure, when we call the paragraph, we should be very careful. Okay, we must give in a order. Okay, like see this, first I want to do arithmetic, I want to do addition, I want to do subtraction, I want to do multiplication. So I'll write like that. Okay, perform 1000 para. In this paragraph I have coded some statement. Okay, okay, here perform sub para. Okay, so like that you can write here also. Okay, so 2000 para compute ws subtraction, right, minus. Okay, that's all. Like that we can write a multiplication 3000 multiplication para also here. Okay, now we'll see only this. This is called simple perform. Okay, what will happen if you declare like that? The control will first come here in this paragraph. Okay, what is statement? First statement display. I'm into initial para. Okay, it will display this statement. Then again control come here. Perform paragraph 1000 add para. Then control will never go to here. Control will search for where is the 1000 para. It will go to this para. Okay, and then it will, control will directly will go to this 1000 para. Control will come here and execute the that corresponding paragraph statement or procedure statement. Generally we call procedure or paragraph. Okay, generally we used to call paragraph. Okay, see these statements will execute for 1000. Once this paragraph execute is successful, then where the control will come, once the control will display this ws total, where the control will go, it will not go here, it will go to again where we call perform 1000 para, right? immediate after next step it will go. Okay, then since it's 1000 is over, again it won't go for 2000 para. Okay, it will come back here in paragraph, and then it will execute this statement perform 2000 sub para. Then control goes to 2000 sub para. If suppose you can write like that also, perform 1000 add para. We can write n time, n number of times. Okay, so we need not, if we want to execute these statements multiple times, means we need not to execute, we need not to uh, write again and again. So while defining in paragraph, if we use this perform, then we can call a number of times. Okay, see, perform 1000 after executing 2000, control will come here 1000 para, then control go to this 1000 add para, and it will execute this statement. Okay, here if suppose we have 1000 lines of code here, I want to execute multiple times based on our requirement, based on our program logic. So it is not good practice to write the multiple 1000 lines code in wherever three times is requirement. We need to write 3000 lines. Okay, instead we write all these statements into one paragraph, and we call that paragraph wherever we require. Okay, if suppose when we call the first time, we need for some values and execute this para. Okay, then we'll use before performing, just move some WSA value to different values, or WSB to different value, and will perform this statement. That value, it will take those values and it will execute. Like that, if we 1000 add pair also are executing, means you move different values before this perform. Here you write move statement here. Okay, move some value from 4 to WSA, move some 2 to WSB. Okay, like that we can write. Okay, see this. See, here I have 8 and I have 3. Okay, see, first same paragraph, I just move different values, 8 and 3, and then I executed this perform. I performed this para. Okay, I executed, I found the addition of these two variables. Again, in this line, I moved so two different values A and B, and then I executed the same paragraph. Then it will show the result of the given input variables. Okay, given input variable values. Okay, this is a simple perform. In real time, generally, when we write simple perform, we will write generally this is simple perform we call, but in real time we write like every paragraph, whatever it is started. Perform 1000 add para through 1000 exit. Okay, here also 1000 exit. 1000 exit. That means this is another perform statement. Okay, another type of perform para 1 through para n. Okay, now what happened if we define this perform through? This is another type, perform through. Okay, generally we will use this perform statement in real time only, mainly these perform through only. Okay, this is more readable. That is very as per the coding standards, we use this perform through like that. Any para, if you are performing, we must end with exit. Okay, 1000 exit. Now we'll see control 1000 add para, right? Where this 1000 add here. Okay, here we just nothing is there. There is no. We need to tell to the compiler it is going to end here. It won't understand, just for our readable purpose, coding standards. Okay, right? Exit. Exit will do nothing. It will exit the statement. That's all. It won't do any. It just exit the line. That's it. It will exit from here. That's all. It won't do anything. But readability is good. Okay. This is one of the coding standards we will follow. Every paragraph in real time, you must code like that. 1000 add para, 1000 exit. Must end with exit. Okay, better use this coding standard. We all follow this coding standard in real time. Okay. Okay. Suppose, if suppose I have coded another para here, uh, 1000, 1000, add one para, write some statement. Okay. And I coded 1000 exit here. What happened here? I didn't do anything here. See, I coded the program like that. I declared this perform through 1000 add para through 1000 exit. So control will come here 1000 add para. Then control will come here add para. Then it will execute this statement and then search for the 1000 exit. See, 1000 add is over, right? Then it will execute the next paragraph or next statement, whatever it may be. Okay, until it it reaches to the 1000 exit para. Until it reaches to the 1000 exit para. That means if you write n number of paragraphs here, okay, if you write n number of paragraphs, it won't worry. Okay, it will just execute all the paragraphs in between 1000 add para to 1000 exit para. How many paragraphs you write, it will execute all the paragraphs. Okay. Okay. In this type of requirement, we use this through. Okay. In real time, generally we don't write the code like that. Okay. We will write just through. We will use only the particular paragraph alone. See, readability is very good, right? So we are simply telling like, okay, this paragraph is going to end here. The all statements particular to this paragraph is ended here. Okay, where it is very good for readability. Okay, like that. Okay, next 2000 subpara through 1000 exit. Sorry, not 1000. It is a 2000. Okay, same thing here also. 2000. So same here also. Control will come here 2000 add para, execute this statement and control come here 2000 exit and then it will execute. That's all. Control will come back to here, move forward to again it will execute this para. Okay, then once this is executed, the control will come here, stop run, terminate the program, and then control come back to the operating system and program will get end. You compile and it will execute. Okay, this is the way of we will write the COBOL program while using the simple perform and perform through. Okay, these are all the outline performs that we are going to discuss. We have discussed perform, simple perform, okay, and perform say through, perform para name or procedure name, procedure name. Next, perform uh, 10 times, perform times. If I want to perform a number of statements, if I want to perform the statement, if I want to perform these statements multiple times, n number of times, like I want to perform these in 5 times, okay, then we go for perform times, perform paragraph name 10 times, 5 times or 6 times or 7 times, how many you want, how many times you want, we can write like that. Okay, let us see how we can write. See here, perform 1000 add para through 1000 exit 5 times. I am telling the compiler perform this paragraph 5 times. Perform this paragraph through this paragraph 5 times. Okay. Okay. Next, see what happens. Control will come here, 1000 add para, and it will execute these two statements, and it will come here. Then checks the how many times it is. Internally, it will calculate. First time it will execute it. Then number two time, next time it will execute the second time. It will display like that. Again, it will come here third time. It is not third time, right? Like that, it will execute the same paragraph 5 times, and then control will come to the next statement of the COBOL program. Okay. Next, this is the end times. Okay. Okay. Okay, we have another perform statement. Perform para name until condition. Until condition. This is also one of the perform statement. Okay. Let us see how we can use this. Until ws condition equal to, let us see. What we are telling this time is uh, perform n times, like that we told right previously. Same, this is also same, but here we are telling that we are telling the compiler to execute this para in number of times. So whatever the number we mentioned, those times only it will execute. But while using the perform until condition, it will execute the condition. It will execute the statement, okay, until this condition satisfied. Until this condition satisfied, it will execute. If condition is false, it comes out of from this perform. Okay, that is the concept. Perform until. Let us see what happens. Perform 1000 add para through 1000 exit until ws condition equal to 5. Okay. Now what I did is move 1 to ws condition. Okay. Here add ws condition is equal to ws condition plus 1. That's all. See, in this time we should be very careful. Okay, we should put the correct flags. Okay, or else there is a danger situation. The program will go to loop. Okay, it will keep on executing. It will keep on executing. Okay. Now see this example. If I don't write this statement, I'm not adding the +1 to this variable. What happens? The move 1 to ws condition. The value is 1 only. Sorry guys, a small correction about this until condition. What happened here is uh, it will execute this paragraph until this condition is true. Okay, until this condition is true. Once the condition is true, then it will comes out of this paragraph. It will comes out of this perform. Okay. Okay, you should be make sure. Okay, if condition is true, it will comes out. If condition is false, then it will execute this paragraph. Okay, let us see this example. uh, Move 1 to ws condition. I move to ws, move 1 to ws condition until ws condition equal to 5. Now perform 1000 add para to 1000 exit until ws condition equal to 5. What happened here? Ws condition is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 5. condition false. Okay, then it will execute here. It will go here and it will execute this statement, and it will add 1 to this WS condition. Now WS condition value is 2. Then control will go here, again checks the condition. What is the condition? Now WS condition is equal to 2, 2 equal to 5, condition false. Again control come here and it will execute here, add. Okay, we need to write add. It will execute this statement. Now the value will get changed to 3. Then control come here and checks the condition. 3 equal to 5, condition is equal to false. Again it will execute this statement. Okay, and then next to 4, again it will come here. Now again it will check. Again 5 equal to 5, condition is true. Then it comes to the next perform, next statement of this statement. Okay, see, this is COBOL is a very readable. Okay, see, while reading the statement itself, we can easily understand. We can understand the statement. See, performs this para until condition, until condition, until this satisfies. Okay, that is the one type, another type of the perform uh, until, perform until condition. Okay, next, see, perform varying. Okay, if I want to uh, okay, let us see one example. Okay, I'll explain this perform varying at the time of array concept. Okay, table concept in COBOL. That time we can easily understand how we can use this varying. Generally, this varying will use only mainly used in arrays concept only. Okay, perform varying. That time we will discuss. Okay, these are the general. See, we have in Google we have different types of performs, but what I explained here is the only one which we generally used in the real time. So these statements, while seeing these performs, we don't get confused. It is very good to read. Okay, while seeing this perform, we can easily understand the code. Okay, if any new developer will come also, you can easily understand the code. Okay, so that we use this generally these type of performs only. Okay, we'll see the inline perform. What is inline perform? Inline perform is a same as a perform statement, but here we don't use any paragraph. It won't execute, it won't define the statements in the paragraph. Okay, it doesn't have any paragraph. Okay, without having paragraph, it will execute here. Now here, see example perform. Okay, how the inline perform is end perform. Inline perform is must end with end perform. Okay, this is the inline perform. What is 2000 here? See, I am deleting this and taking this and writing here. See, we can write the statements whatever you want. Okay, see here. See, this is the inline perform. Okay, it doesn't have any paragraph. Okay, it simply execute the statement. Okay, it simply execute the statement. It is same. You see, there is no difference between these statements and these statements. Okay, these statements and these statements. Without executing this, without defining paragraph, we can execute the statements. That's all. See, control will, after executing this condition, control will come here. It then perform. Okay, we are telling the compiler perform the below statements. That's all. It will execute the statement and it will come to the end perform. Then again control goes to this perform. Okay, so this is about the inline perform. Okay, if there are situations where we need not to write any paragraph, it just simply we can execute these statements is enough. That means we go for this perform. Okay, okay, this is about the inline perform. Okay. Okay. So already explained about the syntaxes and example, right? So okay, I hope you understand, right? Okay, I think you all understood. Okay, thank you very much all. Okay. Bye. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.